Here's the gorgeous one and only Shannon. Look how pretty she is, and this is her plate number one. This is what it looks like.
I love seafood, so I got sushi, got ahi tuna poke,
Yes.
got some shrimp, and I got shumai.
That looks amazing. Look at that shrimp.
I
Oh
love
wow.
dim sum, so dim sum and seafood. Definitely come here.
Yeah.
Welcome to the Palms Buffet, the best value buffet in Las Vegas. As you can see, the line is huge, but it goes pretty fast. Well, depending on the day. But here are some of the prices. As you can see, very, very fair. Comparing to other buffets like Bellagio and Wynn, oh my God, this is way cheaper. Look at this ginormous steak. They also have like a pasta station. On breakfast, that becomes an omelet station. A lot of pizzas. So for kids, that would be perfect because I know kids love some pizza. I'm going to get some mac and cheese. Oh, that looks so good. Some steak. I was really happy about the variety. This is like an Asian station. It has some fried rice, vegetables, sesame balls. I had like 7 of them. They were so good. Asian chicken wings. They were super flavorful, super juicy. They have shumai. Oh my God, the shumai was so good. Here is plate number 1. I got sushi poke. That poke was amazing. The shumai, the steak. The Brussels sprouts are incredible. This is the vegan session. And as you can see right here, it says vegan chop suey. It was really, really good. I tried to try a little bit of everything. Look at that. Jackfruit coconut curry. This is amazing. They have lots of seafood. As you can see, the shrimp, they actually restocked pretty fairly. It was empty, but they started restocking right away with some more fresh shrimp. Oh my God, it's so good.
And they're sesame balls. Sesame's on the outside. We got some red bean inside. Ooh, look how fresh it is. Oh my God. It's actually, these are my favorites.
Can I try some?
Mm-hmm. They're really hot. These are fresh bread. It's hot. I'm sorry.
It's good, huh? I'm actually already halfway on my chocolate mousse with, I think, raspberry. This is like so good. I'm like almost done with it. So I couldn't even wait until the video. I started eating already.
Such a great buffet. I'm definitely coming back very, very soon.